Oh, you scared me to death.
What? I apologize, but when you don't answer my many emoticons and pictograms, no, I fear the worst, huh?
I was in the library. What could have happened to me?
Stacks collapse, livid librarian.
Really?
Death by Dewey Decimals.
No, life lost by late fees?
Ah, there you go.
Oh.
Shall we?
I'm sorry I didn't check my text. I actually haven't checked my phone all day,
And
so...
yet the average person checks their phone 110 times a day.
That's not true.
That is to look it up.
Well, also the library's right next to the tech lab, so, you know, I get terrible reception.
And yet they built a cell phone tower less than a mile away.
Hasn't made a difference. I don't know, maybe my phone's just crap.
Or maybe you don't want to respond, because then we would have to discuss your secret.
My secret?
Yes, your secret. Run!
What?
It's Sherloque. Cicada's at CCU.
So I jitters, I saw you open the door without touching it. I know you have powers. What are they?
That...
I see you too.
You okay?
I think so.
Nora.